If you want a super slim pocket knife that you barely notice in your pocket, but one that does the job when you need it, then the Victorinox Alox Bantam might just be the minimalist carry knife you've been looking for. This is Quick Hit Essential EDC. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, watches, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just want to see what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. The Alox Bantam is an 84mm variant from Victorinox, featuring high-grade Alox, that's aluminium oxide, scales and a clean single layer tool layout. It weighs 29 grams and is just 6mm thick, making it one of the slimmest Swiss Army knives. It's ideal for everyday carry where size and stealth matter. In its stylishly slim form factor, it contains a large drop point blade capable for everyday cutting task. It is non-locking, less than 3 inches in length, and therefore legal for UK everyday carry. Then there's the combination tool with a bottle opener, can opener, 5mm screwdriver and wire stripper. The Alox scales feel premium in the hand with minimum bulk and a good grip texture. It works really well for EDC. It's so compact you'll forget it's in your pocket, yet it's versatile enough for everyday tasks. Whether that's opening boxes, trimming tags, slicing fruit, or opening bottles or cans. It is UK legal friendly carry with a non-locking blade under 3 inches, and it has a premium feel with the Alox construction elevating it beyond the basic plastic scale Swiss Army knives. If you commute, work in an office, or want a just-in-case carry that doesn't weigh you down, this ticks all the boxes. But bear in mind, as it is so slim and minimal, it lacks more advanced tools. So there are no scissors, no pliers, and no complex driver set. But what do you expect in something so small? The Alox version also lacks the toothpick and tweezers that so many other scaled Swiss Army knives include, but it's still a great pick for EDCers who prioritise minimalism. It's a super slim carry with maximum usefulness for the size. A great pick for users who want something discreet, elegant and functional. Also great for those who already own a larger knife or multi-tool and need a compact backup or a daily light option. For the build quality, brand heritage and design finesse, the Alox Bantam represents strong value in the Swiss Army knife market. Its premium material and minimalist form mean you're paying for refinement and not the tool count. It retails in the UK at around £25, and there's a link below or on my kit.co page if you want to pick up one of these beauties for yourself. For many EDC users, it will hit that sweet spot of just enough in a tool in a just right form factor. It won't replace a multi-tool, but it doesn't aim to. It is essential carry for anyone who values pocket space, stealth, and everyday functionality. If I had to pick one word, it would be smart. The Alox Bantam is smartly sized, smartly equipped, and smartly built. So there we have it, Quick Hit Essential EDC with the Alox Bantam. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, drop a comment with your go-to pocket knife and why you carry it. A subscribe would be absolutely amazing, and hit that bell so that you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one, and remember, what you carry, carries you.